In this video, I want to show you the fuse box location on your Jeep Cherokee. First one is in the driver footwell. Go down, open this small lid and pull on it slightly. Just by doing this, you'll have access to the first fuse box that is right over there. To put back this lid, first you need to put it inside, attach the hinges. Whoops. Here we go. Push so the hinges clip, and now you'll be able to close it and open it again. Now let's check the location of the second fuse box, and for this we'll need to go under the hood and you'll have a latch that you need to pull to open it. And under the hood, this is the other location. You need to push these two latches like this. You'll have a fuse box diagram telling you each fuse is what. And here is the fuse box, the second one that is under the hood. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.